picture in my pocket from the day we met. Remember when we drank too much? I wanna carry it around with me and show it off to everyone we meet. But that's okay with you. Ooh, I wanna rent a plane and write our names across the sky in big white fluffy letters. Or whisper something silly in your ear when we're not supposed to laugh. Is that okay with you? Is that okay with you? 'Cause you make it real. One of these days I'm gonna find you. Baby, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. Or maybe a step or two steps behind you. But baby, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. I wanna look at you from way across the room and know exactly what you're thinking. Every corner of your body, every perfect imperfection I would know. Well, that's okay with you. Oh, I wanna take you on 1,000 or more first dates, and every time I make it better.